Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video. There is one more property of string, that is strings are immutable. Now how can we check for this? Suppose we have a string name equal to, the string is length, Length. So what happens here is that once you assign a string to a variable, you cannot change the string of that variable. Like you can create a new one, but you cannot just modify the previous one, that is the original one. So suppose we have a string stored in name variable, name equal to Arjuna, and we wish to print the first character, that is name, then inside the square brackets you have to write 1, and now let's print it. So it gives us R as the output. Now let us try to change this R to some other character, let's say T. Okay, so we'll write string, that is name, then 1 is equals to T. Now if we run the code, you'll see that it is giving us an error because once assigned, we cannot change the value of the string. That is, we cannot change the string now once assigned. We can simply apply the method of string in order to change some characters from it, like we can use the replace method. So we'll write name dot replace, and we have to replace R to T, then R comma T, and now let us print it. Now R has been replaced by T. But now let us try to again print the string. Let us see if the original string has changed or not. So we'll write print and name and run it. See, we are getting the same string as the previous one. That is, it is not replaced. R is not replaced by T in the original string. We have used it externally. The original string remains unchanged, and it will create a new string, and then it will use the method on it and then give us the output. If you really want some character to be replaced, then you can use the replace method and store it in a new variable and then print it in order to get the desired output. But once the string is assigned, the string cannot be changed. The original string is immutable. There are certain programming languages in which strings are mutable also, but in Python, strings are immutable. There are some assignment operators too in Python that we need to discuss. Suppose we have a variable a which is equals to 5, and now if we wish to give it like a equal to a plus 2 and then print a, so yeah, the output is 7. But instead of writing it a equal to a plus 2, we can also write it as a plus equal to 2. See, the output is the same. Now suppose we have another variable b which is equal to 7, and we write b equal to b into 3, and now let us print it. So it is giving us the output as 21. Now we can also change it as p multiplied equal to 3, and now again print it. Again it is giving us the same output. So these are the assignment operators that allows us not to use the variable again and again, and to reduce the length of the code. This makes the code efficient as we are using less number of variables. So this will allow us to use the memory of the system in an efficient way. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.